If you're serious about woodworking, having the right tools can completely change your results. In today's video, we're featuring 12 must-have woodworking and DIY tools that can upgrade any workshop. I'm not just showing you random tools, I'm showing you gear that actually saves time and improves results. If you enjoy smart tools like these, subscribe and let's get straight into it. Metal face clamps. Strong clamping pressure is critical for perfect pocket hole joinery, and these 11-inch metal face clamps are built for exactly that. They feature adjustable locking pressure with swivel pads that distribute force evenly without damaging your wood surface. The heavy-duty metal construction keeps everything aligned while drilling or fastening. Whether you're assembling cabinets, frames, or furniture panels, these clamps hold your pieces flush and steady. Simple tool, but it makes a huge difference in accuracy and joint strength. Cabinet hardware jig. Installing cabinet handles evenly can be frustrating without a guide. This adjustable cabinet hardware jig solves that problem instantly. It features alignment holes and a punch locator system that ensures consistent spacing for knobs and pulls. The adjustable arms allow you to match different cabinet sizes without remeasuring every time. It's ideal for kitchen upgrades, drawer installations, or full cabinet builds. If you want professional level alignment without expensive mistakes, this tool saves time and prevents uneven drilling. Cordless jigsaw. Precision cutting becomes easier with this variable speed cordless jigsaw. It includes a built-in laser guide and LED light that improve visibility during detailed cuts. The adjustable speed control allows you to handle different materials smoothly, from plywood to hardwood. Its cordless design gives you better mobility around the workshop or job site. Whether you're cutting curves, custom shapes, or trim pieces, this saw offers control and flexibility without feeling bulky. HVLP paint sprayer. Finishing projects cleanly can make or break the final result. This 700-watt HVLP paint sprayer delivers smooth, even coverage for furniture, cabinets, fences, and walls. It comes with 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns, giving you flexibility for different project sizes. The high-power motor ensures consistent flow, while the detachable parts make cleaning simple. If you're tired of brush marks and uneven coats, this sprayer helps you achieve a professional finish faster. Mini circular saw. Compact but powerful, this 4-amp mini circular saw is designed for controlled, precise cutting. It runs at 3,500 RPM and includes a laser guide and rip guide to improve cutting accuracy. The smaller size makes it easier to handle compared to full-size circular saws, especially for tight spaces or smaller projects. It also includes 2 TCT blades for clean wood cuts, great for DIY builders who want power without the weight of traditional saws. Dowel maker jig. Creating custom dowels becomes simple with this drill-powered dowel maker jig. It features a carbide blade system that shapes round rods directly from square stock. This is perfect for furniture repair, joinery, or custom woodworking builds. Instead of buying pre-made dowels, you can produce your own with precise sizing. It's a practical solution for woodworkers who want more control over material and cost. Cordless rotary tool. This 5-speed cordless rotary tool is a compact multi-purpose solution for sanding, polishing, engraving, and light drilling. It includes 69 accessories and charges via USB, making it convenient for small workshop tasks. The adjustable speed settings give you better control depending on the material. Ideal for detail work, craft projects, or finishing touches, this tool adds versatility to any setup without taking up much space. Wood carving kit. For those interested in wood carving or whittling, this 32-piece carving kit is a great starter or expansion set. It includes multiple carving knives, templates, and a storage bag for organization. The variety of blade shapes allows you to handle different carving styles and detail levels. Whether you're customizing furniture or starting a creative hobby, this kit provides the essential tools to get clean, controlled carving results. Milescraft shelf pin jig. Perfect shelf alignment inside cabinets requires consistent spacing, and this shelf pin jig makes that easy. It follows the standard 32mm system and allows you to drill accurate 1/4 inch or 5mm shelf pin holes. The included drill bits ensure compatibility and precision. If you're building cabinets or upgrading storage systems, this tool eliminates guesswork and keeps everything level and symmetrical. Cordless drill set. Every workshop needs a reliable drill, and this cordless drill delivers 354 inch-pounds of torque with 18+1 position settings for precise control. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes fast, and the included 2.0 amp-hour battery provides dependable runtime. Whether you're drilling, driving screws, or assembling projects, this drill offers balanced power and portability for daily use. Folding sawhorses. Stable support is essential for safe cutting and assembly. These heavy-duty folding sawhorses provide a combined load capacity of up to 2,200 pounds. The adjustable 2x4 support arms allow you to expand your work surface, while the steel powder-coated frame ensures durability. They fold easily for storage, making them ideal for workshops or job sites where space matters. Carbide burr set. When shaping metal, wood, or removing welds, a carbide burr set becomes extremely useful. This 1/4-inch shank set is compatible with most die grinders and rotary tools. The carbide construction ensures long-lasting sharpness and smooth material removal. Whether you're detailing edges, cleaning welds, or carving harder materials, these bits give you precision control in tight areas.